Hello friends, today I'm doing the Rubik's Cube. I'm going to show you how you do it. First, like this, then right here, but not like that. So you want to solve it, do green color or white color, perfect, okay? So, now all the colors got solved.
Okay, then can you make it scribble one more time and then can you solve the
Yeah, of course, I will.
Okay.
It's all nice, but
Okay.
okay, here is it. Scribbled like this.
Okay.
Here. Here. But only white and yellow solved. So if it's not solved, do it green color, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now everything got solved.
Oh, thank you so much, Kaushik. You did a great job,
Can
Nana.
I tell you something?
Yeah, sure.
Actually, for you do the white part wrong, you can do any another color, then it will all get solved.
Okay.
So, bye, subscribe the video. Bye.
Bye-bye.